Goodbye, my old friend.
Prime, we couldn't save him. Oh, darn it.
Yeah, take a look, Optimus. This is all on you.
Battle of Chicago was an event that permanently changed our world.
1,300 dead.
Much of the city has been destroyed.
Homeland Security is urging everyone to report suspicious alien activity.
As we all know, the invasion of Chicago was a defining day for our nation 1 year ago. The loss of our families and loved ones made us realize that we can never again allow aliens to fight our battles. Which is why we are going to put an end to this. I have a goal: to eliminate all Autobots and any humans who are associated with them. This will be an organization known as Cemetery Wind. Now the government does not know about this, so we'll have to be a special ops team. I cannot afford anyone to leave with this information who disagrees with our view. We have close contact with the Autobots and we could worry about the Decepticons later. If we are to proceed with my goal, we'll have to start with the leader of the Autobots, Optimus Prime. After, his human companion and their family. Now, our military resources are insufficient to defeat an Autobot or a Decepticon. We will need a Cybertronian's assistant. I have made a deal with the bounty hunter to join forces. Now, if there are any mistakes and we have been exposed, our cleanup crew, along with their ally, will cover it up.
So how do we start?
We'll start phase 1 by sending Optimus to Mexico City. There, he will be ambushed and we'll find a way to deactivate Nest.
You gotta move faster, mate!
Whoa, hey! What the hell, Sam?
I have the target, waiting for your orders.
Fire in my command.
Discussion! You're my son! I know! You're my son! Yeah, we're all going together! Listen! We're all going! I don't know what's going on, but we gotta move!
Bumblebee, get out of here! Sam, get in!
They're fleeing. Let's move.
We'll find a place to settle away from here and figure out what is going on. After, we'll reunite with the others. I'm sorry, Sam, for your loss. She was an amazing woman and would have made a wonderful mother. All right, Sam.
Move in a circle around them.
What's wrong with you humans? I'm an Autobot. Sam, where are you? No. I'll kill you.
Look out! Go, 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 go! Move, move! Aim for the hat! Get behind me!
targeted attack from a special ops team. Cemetery Wind. They are not alone. Both the Autobots and Nest are being hunted down. Cease all contact with humans. I'm ordering a complete radio silence until further notice. We are on our own.
Release the mini drones.
Vipers, Eagle in sight, cleared hot.
Got a heat sink. Second stack, closest to the bow.
Predator 01, capture target area. Set charges.
Cracking steel!
Fire!
Missiles out, danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
I got a visual on the target. Can't see! Moving away! Wrecker, pull up! Pull up!
Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
What's wrong with you humans?
Bumblebee.
Where are you?
Monument Valley.
I have a fix on your location, but it'll take me a few cycles to reach you.